Sean Upper from IST 256, presenting my project right now for the final project individual work. So right now I'm in my IDE Visual Studio Code, and this is an Express-based project, as you can see from the files and stuff. And also it has like a main page as shown by the index over here. And the index, as you can see, has all the scripts and links to bootstraps and all the other stuff that are needed for it to work like it's intended to. And also it has a place where you can navigate to each page in the file. So that's linked through here, as you can see. As soon as the page loads, it will like bring up this info over here, like whatever is in this list. That's what's going to be on the website each time you go to each page. And yeah, hashtag. Yeah, that's the script. It loads that. And then yeah, a page where you can search for things. So we have the search page.html, and that's represented here. It also is connected through the navbar. You have it all here. It uses the do search function to like get the input, lowercase that down, and then load the. Oh, that's something else. No, that's not. Okay, so in script here, there are many scripts. We have the navigation bar and also the do search script that searches if something exists and then toggles the search page to show that stuff. And that also utilizes another script, document.ready. Yeah, search bar input, which we have the input searches the stuff that we put into there and shows the value, and also it has the place where we can do that to search as well. Yeah, and basically it has the place where we can load users, the script that loads the users from the MongoDB database. Basically we can add stuff to here, profile pictures and stuff. Yeah, fill users, basically that's used here, and it uses this get list, and that's from app.js. So the get list function from app.js is an asynchronous function, which is associated with MongoDB, and yeah, it's app.get as well, which is needed for the project. I also wanted to show the app.post. I believe that's used in like the, what is it called? Sign up page. As you can see, it gets the info put in the sign up page and brings it all the way to the, what is it called? Net new user and the MongoDB playground that we created, or I created. So the MongoDB playground is users, which can be seen the reference group db client.db group 9, and then the collection that's using is users collection. So I just need to go back here. So what else do I want to show? So how the post is used. New user. In the sign up page, it has many parts of it. As you can see, you have like all the inputs, and the inputs are toggled to the button and the button is linked to a func script called add users. So as soon as you press that, all that info that you put is put into the, what is it called, add users function, and all these parts of the add user function process the data on the back end and uses the code to finally go to this part to add, or yeah, that's the post part, to post that data into the MongoDB database group 9 users collection. So yeah, all that stuff is put into the new user that is added to the page. And yeah, and all that info is gathered and put onto the search page as you search it up, as I showed before. Um, so basically, I believe that's all. But I have to show you that the thing actually works. So I'm gonna like close the server for now. So to show that I'm legitimate, and then I'm going to start it. npm run start. So yeah, it's working. It started. And then what I'm going to do next is localhost 3000 in my, what is it called? Website. Yeah, browser. And as you can see here, we have a navigation bar that links us to every HTML on the file. But yeah, so as you can see here, this is a site that sells data of users who input it and puts into the database. And the main function is basically to collect data and what we can do in the sign up. But at first we have personal data of other people. So all of it is listed here. And using the search function, we can show a specific person we want to do, just like if I want to only show Emily. Yeah, that's Emily for you. Um, but also, what if I wanted to like, oh yeah, I can show all the pages over here. So we have that. Yeah, they're all connected due to the nav bar on every page. So, um, I'm going to create my own user to show that you can also add users or post users to the database. So in order to do this, you have to well, I think this has no version. I'm just gonna put random stuff because it doesn't really matter. But like, I just want to show that you can add a user to this, and that's the info that you can manipulate the database with. Okay. Oh, passwords do not match. I mean, they do match, right? Oh, there's a space. Okay. And as you can see here, it brings us back to the search page because that's where all the data in our database is stored. So as I showed before, the user we want to search for is myself. Oh, we have two Seans. That's probably from like the last time I did this, but like as you can see, all that's user stuff is there, like HBVG. That's just random stuff I did. And yeah, you can also press view profile, like that's connectivity between pages, and you can see the data there. I think that this is basically like what I wanted to do before, but like I also wanted to add a cart to show that you can also buy the data, but like I didn't have enough time to do that, so um, yeah, yeah. So this is it.